All right. So what we're going to go over right now is the ability to accept payments through your website. Now, the main form of payment processor or credit card processor would be Wix Payments, right? So Wix allows you to be able to fill out a form, apply for their payment processor, and then they tell you what their fees are. I believe it's like, I don't know, it's like 3%, 30 cents per transaction, something like that. But either way, Wix does offer a merchant processor. So as long as you have all the information as far as your ENI or social and business information, you should be able to get approved. And by going through the Wix payment processor, it allows you to accept Apple Pay, Google Pay, and if you want Afterpay, and then tap to pay on mobile, the Wix point of sale, and Affirm, which is buy now, pay later, right? So another feature here is that you can connect your PayPal account, right? And you'll also see here that you can allow manual payments such as cash checks. So if you're selling a service or a product in person and they pay you cash, you'll be able to accept that payment and be able to make sure that your books are all accurate. So we're going to click down here and see more options. You'll see here that there's other payment processor companies that you'll be able to choose from or add in. A lot of these have to deal with cryptocurrency or even CBD products, right? So you find like the one that works best for you. Like Choice Payment Solutions is really great for ACH bank payments. So if you have large amounts of money that needs to be transferred, that's a really good option. And you'll see here that there's still another third party, right? So your priority and Stripe. Stripe is probably your most common and your most popular out of everything here. So if you have a Stripe account, you'll be able to simply just click connect and it'll connect automatically. I would suggest being logged into your Stripe account so that way there isn't any issues. So you see Square, Braintree, authorized.net. And then, like I said earlier, I believe Evergreen Payment Northwest has to deal with CBD products. So this is where you would actually go in and fill out the actual information to be able to accept payments. So now, like I said, if you do the processing through Wix, you'll see Wix Payments here, and then it shows you what you would like to have options, right? So mine is already set up. I'm not going to go into it because I don't want you guys to know my business, but if you have any issues, you can always reach out to me. But these are the options as far as being able to accept payments, how to be able to create an account. You can do it directly through Wix, so that way it makes life easier. If you already have a PayPal account, you could add PayPal, or if you do have Stripe, they do have the ability to connect with Stripe as well.